Hello children, today I am here with answers of second language English model question of class 5th. Let us start with the part A. Okay, before that we'll see your booklet first page. There they have given name of the students. In that you should write your name, full name, then your SATs number. It will be provided by your school, and signature of the student. Your signature should put here. Okay, then rest all the work of invigilator. You don't have to touch that. Let us start. Every time remember one thing. Each time whenever you read the question, understand it properly. Before you write, think twice. Okay, then only you can write in the box appropriate option as well as the answer in the space provided. Let us start with question 1. Prayer begin. We hear this announcement in the dash. School assembly, hospital, bus stand, airport. We could hear this in a school assembly, isn't it? As a student, you must know this. So, here you should write A in the box and then you should write fully here school assembly. Okay, school. Whenever you write it neatly. Let us go for question number 2 now. Read the given lines carefully and answer question numbers 2 to 4. Let me read for you. Girls and boys, come out to play. The moon doth shine as bright as day. Leave your supper and leave your sleep and come with your playfellows in the street. You should understand this poem first, then you should do question number 2 to 4. See here, identify the rhyming words in the above line. Before you identify rhyming words, you must know the meaning of rhyming words. I'll tell you, rhyming words are the words that have the same ending sound. Check here which words are having same ending sound. Usually rhyming words come at the end of each line. Just check each line of this poem and then find out rhyming words. Let me do it for you. Girls and boys come out to play. The moon doth shine as bright as day. Play and day. You can find, right? These two words rhyme with each other. Okay. Sleep and street. Right? You can find this even. So identify the rhyming words in the above line. Street, bright. Play, day. Your supper. Girls, boys. In the first answer, you can find these two words, right? This word pair you can find play, day. So, play day is the right option. Write option B in the box and write the answer over there, play day. Let us now go for question number 3. Identify the frequently occurred word in the above lines. You can reread the poem again. See, reread the poem and then find out the words which are repeated. You can find the word and is repeated thrice here, right? Girls and boys, right? There once. And leave your supper and leave your sleep. And in the last line also, and come with your playfellows in the street. So word and is repeated thrice, 3 times here. So option A is the right option. Okay, let us go for question number 4. The poet wants the children to leave dash. Reread the poem and then fill the appropriate answer in the box as well as in the space provided. You can find in the poem that leave your supper and leave your sleep in the third line, right? So the poet wants the children to leave supper and sleep. Option C is the right answer. Write C in the box and supper and sleep in the space provided. Let us go for next page. The sky is blue. The word that rhymes with the underlined word in the given sentence is, what is rhyming word I say? Rhyming words are nothing but the words which rhymes at the end of the word. Okay, see here, the sky is blue. The word that rhymes with the underlined word in the given sentence is, check here by reading the words, row, blow, flew, blue, 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 blue. So option D is the right answer. Go for number 6. Select the appropriate word that describes the given word. Okay, a dash task. A dash task. How would be the task? Task means work here. A dash task. How can you describe task? A loud task, a round task, a tough task, or a young task. You usually say that it is a tough task, right? So tough is the right answer. So what you have to write in the box? C, and in the space provided, tough. We'll go for next question. Question number 7. The superlative form of the word long is, you must know what are 3 different types of degrees of comparison before you do this. I will tell you, one is positive, one is comparative, one is, and last one is superlative. Positive is nothing but describing one person. Okay, like Rahim is tall. Example, Rahim is tall for positive sentence. Okay, comparative, you are comparing Rahim with the Ram here. Ram is taller than Rahim. When you are comparing with the other person, the degrees of comparison will be your comparative degree. Okay, next, when you're comparing with all, for example, you're having many friends. In that friend circle, Ramesh is tallest of all. He is tallest of all the people. When you're comparing with all, then you are using the superlative degree. So here 3 forms you can find: tall, taller, tallest. Tall is positive degree, taller is comparative, and superlative is tallest. So now tell me, question number 7, the superlative form of the word long is, whether it is long, longest, longer, or most long. Yeah, option B is the right answer. So in the box you should write B and then longest, because it is superlative degree. Next question, question number 8. A person who treats the patients is A or an. Who is that? A person who treats the patient. We call him doctor, right? So doctor is the right option. What you have to do here is take down write down option B in the box and then write doctor here in the space provided. Okay, let us go for question 9. Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. What you have to find here is adjective. Now tell me what you mean by adjective. Adjective is nothing but describing word, or you are describing any noun. The word which we use to describe any noun, that is called as adjective. Taj Mahal is noun here. And what word do we use to describe it? Beautiful. Okay, Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. So what is adjective here? Option A. So in the box you should write A and then here beautiful. Okay, we'll go for next page now. Rekha walks very fast. The noun in the given sentence is, before you do this, you must know the meaning of noun. What is noun? Noun is nothing but a naming word. It may be name of a person, it may be name of an animal, it may be name of bird, it may be name of anything, place, or anything. Okay. So, Rekha walks very fast. In this sentence, what is a noun? Easily you can say Rekha is the name of a person. So, Rekha is a noun. So, option C is the right answer. You should write C in the box and then write Rekha in the space provided. We'll go for 11. The cobbler mends the shoes. Now you should write the past form of the underlined verb in the given sentence. Before you do this, you must know what is your present, what is your past, what is your future. Your present is what is happening. Your past is which has already happened, and your future which will be happening. Okay, so here you should find out the past already happened. Okay, so what is the past form of mends here? You could easily say that it is mended. Mended is the past form of the word mends. In the box you should write T, and then here you should write mended. Okay, we'll go for question number 12. The fish swims dash the water. The appropriate preposition to be used in the given sentence is dash. What appropriate preposition you have to write here? Before that, tell me what is preposition. Preposition is nothing but which the words which shows the position of anything, any object, any noun or any pronoun. Okay, which shows the position. For example, the cat is under the table. Where is the cat? Under the table. So under, the word under shows the position of cat, right? Like that way you have to find out the answer. The fish swims dash the water. Can you see the fish swims from the water? The fish swims in the water. The fish swims on the water, or fish swims for the water. Option B is the right answer. The fish swims in the water. Okay, next we'll go for question number 13. Read the lines and fill in the missing word in the given sentence. Lets me, lures me, calls me, to salt grain tossing sea, a road without earth road dust is the right route for me. The tossing sea is dash in color. In the second line it is given green tossing sea, right? So the tossing sea is green in color. If you don't understand, reread the lines and then write. Without seeing that, do not simply put the answer. Okay, we'll go for next page now. Question number 14. The plural form of the word leaf is dash. The plural. So what do you mean by plural? Plural is nothing but more than one. Singular is one. Plural is nothing but more than one. Okay. See, one leaf we call it as leaf. More than one, you call it as leaves, not leaves. Not option D. Option A is the right option. Why? Whenever the singular noun ends with F, then the plural noun will turn into VE. Okay, remember that, VES. Okay, we'll go for question number 15. The word which starts with the middle letter of the word. Now check here, which is the middle letter? 1, 2. 1, 2. So V is the middle letter, right? So which word starts from the middle letter of the word? Violin. Obviously V, violin. So you have to write there violin in the space provided, and in the box you should write A. Okay, we'll go for question number 16. The hidden word in the word environment is dash. Hidden word, one hidden word you have to find from the word environment. Is there net in this? No. Is there ton? No. Is there no? No. Is there iron? Yes, there is iron, hidden word. So iron is the right option. We'll go for number 17. I am Arun, a student of class 5. I got second prize in the running race. Now see the sentence. Reread the sentence again. Reread the sentence and find out the pronoun in the above sentence. What do you mean by pronoun? Before you do this, you must know the meaning of pronoun. Pronoun is word which we use to avoid repetition of noun. It means if there is a name of a person, to avoid that name we use some other words. We call it as pronoun. Okay, see here, for example, I will say Ramesh is studying in 8th standard. Ramesh is a good boy. Do you tell like that, or do you use Ramesh is studying in 8th standard, he is a good boy, he runs very fast, he is a sporty person? You will use he, despite of repeating Ramesh again in the all the sentences. This is called as pronoun. To avoid repetition of noun, we use some other words that is called as pronoun. Pronoun may be he, she, it, they, her, okay, him. All this will be pronoun. In this sentence, you can find option B as the right answer. Okay, we'll go for question number 18. There the words are jumbled up. Sorry, word is jumbled up. One word is given, it is jumbled up. It is not in an order. What you have to do is you should correct the order of the jumbled letters to form a meaningful word. Check here. Ascendator, it is not a word. Drantons, no. Dadaton, no. Standard, you can form this word from that, right? D is the right option. We'll go for next page now. Question number 19. The correctly punctuated sentence is, how did the king become rich? Before you go for this activity question, you must know what are punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are nothing but full stop, comma, exclamatory and question marks. You must even know where do we use full stop, where do we use exclamatory, where do we use question mark. Okay, full stop is used with the normal sentences or any statements or any answer. Okay, exclamatory used to show your feeling, right? Whenever you show your sudden feeling, then you use exclamatory mark. And question mark is used to ask a question. Now you can find in this question, right? Somebody is asking something, how did the king become rich, right? So it is a question. So suitable punctuation is question mark here. Option D is the right option. Then you should write, how did the king become rich, along with the question mark here in the space provided. Let us go for question number 20. Look at the pictures and identify the object hanging on the wall of the classroom. You can find wall here, right? On the wall, what is hanging? Obviously, it is a blackboard. So, option C is the right answer. This is it for now. In the next video, I'll explain your part 2. Thank you. If you liked my video, do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends.